how to pair your VidaTeco Bluetooth speaker with your phone or other Bluetooth device, and we're also going to go over all the controls on it really quickly in just about a 2-minute video. It's quite simple. The first thing we're going to do is get it paired up. We're just going to go ahead and long press the power button to turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
I'll have that little thing, Bluetooth mode. If it's not in Bluetooth mode, you may need to hit the mode button until you toggle over to Bluetooth. We're going to come on our phone, come down and find this C57, select that, and then we hear the little ding dong indicating that the Bluetooth has been connected. So now next time it should connect automatically. Now I'm just going to go over some of the controls really quickly on here. So you'll see it's giving this little light theme of changing lights. I can actually change that. With this light button, I can change that. Now, other things I can do on here is if I short press this play button, it will pause it, and then if I short press it again, it will resume the music. If I short press these plus and minuses, it will toggle through the tracks, next track, up a track and back a track. If I long press them, it will turn the volume up and down. And then on them, this is the mode button. It has several different modes. I'll show you in a second. But if I short press it, it'll toggle through the Bluetooth or the aux mode or whatever. And if I long press it, it will TWS. So if I have more than one of these, I can actually pair them together to get true wireless stereo sound. And then I'll just show you on the back, when it's time to charge the battery, I can charge the battery here via the port that's on the left here. These two are input ports, so I can put an SD card in here and listen to music off of the card, or input it via the music via the USB through this input port here. And then finally I have an aux port as well. I can get music in through the aux port. So anyways, if you're interested in this speaker, there will be a link below. And thanks a lot for watching.